Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update multiple storage bins at a time. You wanted to update storage bin type, or you wanted to update a storage section, or a maximum weight, any field you wanted to update without using any LSNW or BDC or BAP here, nothing is required. By using SAP standard transaction code, you can update it. Let us go how to do that. The transaction code is LS11. You can give warehouse number and the storage type, execute it. System will show you the list of storage bins. For example, you wanted to update the maximum weight. You can do for all, okay, or you can do for few things. Let us, all means you can click on select all. Specific means you can select by manually. For example, I want to update for these storage bins maximum weight from 500 to 1000. Click on change data, and the maximum weight I wanted to change to 1000. Click on continue. 2 times you check it. See, system updated, but still it has not yet updated. You have to save it. Then only you can see the success message. 6 storage bins are changed. Same way you can update the storage bin type, also section, okay, total capacity, or any of these fields you can update by using LS11 transaction. I hope this video has helped you to understand the functionality is available in SAP standard without running for any of the ABAP help or LSNW kind of a thing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.